Friday the 24th of February, my name's Steve Buswell and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. We'll begin with the technical analysis. Up first is the euro dollar. As long as price holds above main pivot, we can expect rise towards R1 resistance, and sustained rise will be suggesting next objective at R2. Fall below main pivot will negate this scenario. Based on conclusions for each indicator and chart analysis, we're expecting a bullish trend. Now let's move on to the dollar yen. We can expect price will reach R1, and if dollar yen will have enough momentum, break below this level will indicate next objective at R2. But rebound from first resistance will be suggesting decline from main pivot will then be retested. The conclusions made by Axiory's chosen indicators show a bullish trend. Moving on to the sterling dollar outlook, if price is able to increase above main pivot and now is heading towards R1. It will probably be limited here and decline could then be awaited and price will retest main pivot. The summary of each indicator show a bullish trend. Our last technical analysis is the dollar franc. Price fell below main pivot and now is heading towards objective at S1, where it will probably rebound and retest main pivot. But further fall would then target at S2. The vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis show a bearish trend. We'll now move on to the fundamental analysis. And our first news today is revised GDP at UK at 9:30 AM GMT. Analysts are expecting GDP will remain at minus 0.2%. High impact on the sterling can be awaited. National Statistics will report quarterly statistics regarding premium business investment at 9:30 AM GMT. In a previous quarter, biz investment rose by 0.3% and analysts are now expecting a 0.3% decline. Moreover, medium impact on the sterling can be expected. Census Bureau is going to release monthly survey about new home sales in the United States at 3 PM GMT. Economists are awaiting increase from 307,000 to 316,000 in new home sales. In addition, high impact on the dollar can also be expected. We have almost reached the end of our broadcast. As you can see on your screen, there are 3 tables about the best traders and trading strategies on Axiory, giving you the opportunity to join them. The biggest gains we could see were in Mirror Trader, where the first 2 strategies added 41.9 pips and 73.5 pips. On the downside, the biggest loss was recorded in Multi-Trader, where low-risk investment fell by 213.5%, but remained at first place. In the trade leaders, we could see some small losses and gains on strategies. On this platform remains the same order as yesterday. Here at Axiory, we have a team of successful traders available for you to give you the support you need. And as Brian Tracy once said, the average person works at 50% or less of their potential. Your job is to unleash that extra 50%. Thanks for watching Axiory's news broadcast. Have a profitable day, a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday.